In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier on Woocommerce in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or automate some of those repetitive tasks, integrating Zapier with Woocommerce can make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to wordpress.com. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your Woocommerce site. Once you're there, the next logical step is to log in. Having direct access to your account assures that you can make changes and adjustments effectively. Simply enter your credentials, and you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, with access to your dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Plugins section. Plugins are essential tools in WordPress that extend the functionality of your site, allowing for customization that meets your needs. Click on Plugins, and you'll be presented with a list of all the plugins currently installed on your site. To integrate Zapier, we'll need to add a new plugin. For that, you should click on Add Plugin. It's like browsing an app store. You'll see various options and tools you might find beneficial for other aspects of your site. But today, our focus is on Zapier. Once you're in the Add Plugin section, use the search bar to type in Zapier. This search will bring up various relevant plugins, but you're looking specifically for Zapier for WordPress. Found it? Great. This plugin is designed to connect your WordPress site with Zapier, making it the ideal choice for setting up automation. After locating Zapier for WordPress, click on it to reveal more information. You'll notice the option to install and activate it. Installation is straightforward. Clicking Install will automatically start the process. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Activating the plugin is crucial as it enables it on your site, allowing you to start using it immediately. By following these steps, you've integrated Zapier with your WooCommerce setup. With this plugin in place, you'll be able to create zaps on Zapier's platform that can automatically perform tasks, such as syncing data or sending notifications. Think of it as having your own personal assistant that runs in the background, handling tasks efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up Zapier on Woocommerce. By automating parts of your workflow, you can focus more time on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!